As we continue with the construction of the Hustler, and now showing how the landing lights are attached to the landing gear and how they work. Giving the example. And that's when I'm up, and notice that the headlights are off, and there is a small micro switch here that is attached that cuts them off. Notice as we once again retract them into the down position. Now, one more time. And that's them as they are in the retract position. Retract position. And you go down. It's in the down position. Micro switches down. Give you a good idea. And we'll retract it one more time. And that's what it looks like when it goes in the wheel well. Thank you.